这明天我一心要刷到全校，保持三好的精神体悟，三好的庙，结合新时代的年轻人。My vegetables, I love you most of all. My favorite vegetable, table veggie. If you brought a big brown bag of them home, I'd jump up and down and hope you'd toss me a carrot. I'm gonna keep well my vegetables, cart off and sell my vegetables. I love you most of all. My favorite vegetable, table vegetable. I tried to kick the ball, but my tenny flew right off. I'm red as a beet, 'cause I'm so embarrassed. Do 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 do. I tried to kick that ball, but my tenny flew right off. I'm red as a beet, 'cause I'm so embarrassed. I know that you feel better when you send us in your letter and tell us the name of your favorite vegetable. I know that you feel better when you send us in your letter and tell us the name of your favorite vegetable.
There you go. All right, for you all you vegans out there.
That was a bonus track.
I knew you'd like it.
它是白饭，一点不软。对，然后呢，还有来到这里吃美食的话，大家也花。
Well, my heart starts sinking and I'm thinking, what's the reason why we holding back from being kind? What's the disease? But then I sense we are fine. It'll all happen one small step at a time. When the world is full of violence and it needs a little kindness, I just sit and pray in silence and God shows me the signs. Open my eyes, realize we are fine. One small act at a time. Last night I'm walking home and the homeless man says hello with a smile to let me know that he's got a lot of hope. He says, have faith, young man, we are fine. The world is kind. One small act at a time. Small acts we do together, even though maybe alone, changes the world for the better so we can call it home. And this is life as we know, when our hearts are aligned, the magic that unfolds, one small act at a time. Throw your hearts up, let it fly high, let your love for all the world spread through the skies. Let it drop down, let it all go, spreading kindness to every single living soul. Can you see a love for me shining through? 'Cause what you see in me, I can see in you. And soon enough, you and me will be out of time. And kindness will be all we can be.
Because we are in love, the earth is so ravishing. Because we are in love,
you so much.
Thank you.